What a way to start the week. If you don't know what I'm talking about, this is what I'm talking about. 17 accounts, 13.2K profit. Um, Not a bad day for the boys. Let's go back to the trade sinker. Here it is. I have 3 alpha. These are all PAs, by the way, no evals. I have these Lucids and Tradefies at 2 times ratio, just because I passed them a little bit later than the others, so I'm trying to catch them up to speed, and today was a good way to do that. So let's talk about how amazing this trade was. So coming into the day, I was actually very bearish. I alerted the group, make sure my mic is working, I alerted the group and said, bearish for today, we have a huge daily bearish SMT as well as a large 4-hour gap. This being the large 4-hour gap, and this being the SMT. As you can see, we never took out this high, but we swept it on ES. So I was super bearish. We were basically right here at open, also sweeping London high. So I wanted to see ES sweep London, and then us continue to sell off, especially because we were accumulating before the market opened. So I wanted to see some manipulation to the upside and then some distribution down to all of these stacked lows here. Sadly, we fucking pumped at open and disregarded the hell out of everything I just said. So what did we do? We decided to flip biases. We had this unfilled hourly gap above, and it looked like we were just pumping straight for that. So I was like, okay, this should be an obvious draw. So I had that in the back of my mind. What happens after this pump? We open up this 5-minute, this huge 5-minute gap. And I mean, if you know anything about the checklist, these are A+ continuations. You want rejection out of a higher time frame PD array, an internal SMT, an external SMT, an IFVG, and then target some external liquidity. So I love targeting unfilled hourly for value gaps. They are absolutely A+, absolutely money, and I love targeting them. What else do I love? I love AMD models, meaning I want to see accumulation, then a manipulation into a liquidity pool, and then distribution to the target that I want to see happen. So what happens? We get our retracement into our 5-minute, making an internal SMT. As you can see, we took out this low on NQ, but we couldn't take it out on ES. So we get that SMT. We also get this 30-second inverse with this huge displacement candle. So I hop in and I put my stop below the low so that I don't want to see this SMT get disrespected. And then we had this internal high above as a TP. So what did I say at first? This is such a good TP, by the way. Inside a fair value gap. AMD model, because this was right at 945. The 945 candle exactly manipulated into this. So at every 15 minutes we make a new candle. So at 9:45 we made a new candle and we made the bottom wick of it and then we made the top wick. So then once we do that, we have this TP here as a great TP, which would have already been above a 1-to-1 RR for me. But I was so bullish to at least the unfilled hourly, which is more up here, that I wanted to let some runners go. So what did I do? I left a runner for a new high of day just in case we edged and manipulated the hourly. So I just wanted to see a new high of day here. And what happens? We come in, beautiful momentum close, get in here, take our TP, and start trailing my stop as momentum continues. And what do you know? Both TPs get smashed. Could have actually caught more like 70 points and would have been a 4.5 RR, but I'll settle for the 2.6. Probably my greatest trade of the year, to be honest. And we were done at, 950. So patience paid today. We were trying to take those shorts and we kept getting just longs out of them. And we were patient. We got our longs, got an A+, and took out both TPs immediately. This is an A+ setup to study. If you're trying to figure out my system or my setup, one, I recommend you join the Discord because I'm going to be the premium Discord because I'm going to be dropping the entire live execution of me trading, meaning from the session open to session close, or the close my trade for the premium members so they could see okay, why did I take this or not take this? How did my bias flip over time? Stuff like that. Very, very effective. Very, very cheap as well. So yeah, just let me know. Go in the bio of our YouTube and our Instagram, fill out that form, and then if you fill it out and I believe you're a candidate for it, then I will email you with the link to join. So yeah, AMD model absolutely printed as always with that new 15-minute SMT came in inverse. I mean, this is just A+. There's nothing else to say. And then 10 a.m. came. We respected this hourly, and now we're just sort of chopping around. So yeah, all right. So that's the trade. That's the day. Very, very happy with this, and I will see you guys later.